Housewife. Welcome back to another episode of Housewife. We hear strange sounds. Welcome back to another
They
episode.
sound like this.
Welcome back to another episode of Housewife. I hear some strange sounds around here.
It could have been a car backfiring again.
Oh! Last week the car backfired, but last week the Papa's truck went. I just hear strange sounds again. Well, let's go find out what it is.
You want to do a video where we film having a fire? I'll ask my dad if we can have a fire. And we film a campfire.
Well, we have
to make a cool video that it looks like we're getting burnt and we're dying.
Yeah, Housewife. So we're not at the new Timor house. We're at the old Timor house.
Today we're doing fires.
And Tyra and Judith's life. So welcome back to
my dad.
So let's go back to another episode of Housewife. This is insane. Let's go back to Judith's house. We're gonna go. Let's go. So we have to go to Judith's house. Alright, we at the Judith's house. Okay, I remind you, it's some strange noise I just heard. We were on the deck. Yeah, that's right. We were on the deck, and we were playing game Roblox, Escape Hospital, Obi. It's sponsored by Roblox. Roblox is a fun game. Roblox is a fun game. You can go on iPad, or PlayStation. Or kind of that. If you want to play Roblox, comment section below if you want to play Roblox and have fun with your friends. So, comment section below. That's right. Comment section below if you want to play Roblox and play Escape Hospital Obi. So comment section below right now. So comment section below. So this is a new scooter. So it's completely new. I got this for Christmas about 2 months ago. So Nana and Papa's gave it to me. So I'm gonna test it out. Last video Jackson was back. The old cameraman's back. It's Jackson. Well, Jackson moved back. But figure about it. Let's go ride this electric scooter. Alright. Nah, I'm not doing that. Yeah?
Do a fire.
Why? Okay. Well.
You want to make a woods video?
A wood?
Yeah.
Okay, well.
Ultimate hide and seek in the woods.
Yeah, I'm gonna